Hello friends, this is Pranay Kumar from Earn with Pranav. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, click the subscribe button and also click the bell icon to receive videos as they are uploaded. Today I am going to show you a method by which you can earn $1,000 per month without any efforts and skills and without any of your hard work. So basically what we are going to do is design logos, but we are not going to do it ourselves. We are going to outsource it. So first let's see how much is logo design. What's the price of logo design? Buy logo for your company. I have given a search, buy logo for your company. Now let's see logo design, custom logo design. Let's say Design Hill. Let's say this one also. So let's see the pricing of Design Hill. Let's see. Fast track, it starts from $199 at $200. Now let's see this one also, the logo company. Let's see how much he offers. It's logo for, okay, so logo only, it is $199, $200. $200 is the common. And now let's see the place we'll be outsourcing it to. It is called Fiverr.com. Now Fiverr has got some good logo designers. Let's go to Fiverr.com and search for logo design. Let's search for logo design. I'll do a professional minimalist business logo design starting at $25. Let's see. Standard is $25. One logo in JPG and PNG, and let's see the premium one. 65 unlimited revisions. Okay, unlimited revisions. Vectors file, it is for $125. So even let's go for the standard $65. It is a good one. 2 HQ logos, unlimited revisions, and it is 4.9. that is almost 5-star review. So it is 65. So 199 minus 65, you get how much you'll be earning from this. So let's see the reviews. Excellent service, very happy with final product, you are the best, and all the reviews are good. So we can choose this one. So how we'll get the clients? We'll be using classified ad sites. So let's go start with Craiglist. 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 Let's go to Craiglist. Let's click out here. Now here in Craiglist, let's click a posting, create a posting, service offered. Now let's see, automatic beauty service, cell phone, computer, creative, event. Let's go with creative service. Pet labor event service, cycling service. So that's how you post. Now let's see the prohibited list before posting. Weapons, firearms, etc. Okay, it's okay. So you go with the posting, choose creative service. And here you log in and post. So you can go to other classified ad sites also. Say you can give here classified ads. The classifyedads.com, you can also post out here. So what you are going to post basically is this, that professional logo design, $199, and just see other logo design companies out here and put a few words here and there and make the advertisement your own and post in this classified ad sites. Give your phone number too, so that people can contact you and find it a genuine thing. Give your phone number, your address, give your phone number there, and when people contact you, you can have the logo made with Fiverr.com. Give them the logo and keep the difference of the money. So once they give you an order for the logo, just copy the order and paste it out here without the details of the client to this person. Have the logo made and give the logo to that person. So you are just playing a middleman and you are just pocketing the change. You don't need any effort, you don't need any skills, and you are hardly working. You just need to start with the money of one logo design. Once you get the money with you, then you are free to go with as many people you want. So that was the whole method. Alternatively, what you can do, you can give a search on Craiglist search engine. You can search all of Craiglist. For logo design. Logo design needed. Graphic designer needed, creative gigs, etc. You can go to those gigs and you can respond to them. Don't respond to too many in a single time, or Craigslist is a bit ban happy. Don't respond to too many people in a single time, but keep it to that Craigslist doesn't take you for spam, and that is how you respond. And when you get the order, they'll call you by phone too. When you get the order, you can outsource it to Fiverr.com. So that was the whole process. If you liked my video, do click on the like button. Do like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching. This is Pranay Kumar from Earn with Pranav, signing off. Have a great day.